One question frequently asked by Charleston Water System customers is, what is backflow and why do I need to install a backflow preventer? Backflow is the reversal of normal water flow caused by a sudden change in water pressure. Backflow could contaminate the public water supply whenever a cross connection exists. A cross connection is a link between a potable water system and a non-potable water system. In this case, we're referring to the connection between Charleston Water's public water lines and our customers' private plumbing systems. Over the past few decades, there have been many documented examples nationwide where contamination of water through backflow has caused illnesses, burns, and even deaths. One simple example of a potential backflow hazard is your home's irrigation system. If the homeowner uses pesticides and fertilizers, and water pools around one of the nozzles, during a loss of system pressure, pesticides and fertilizer could be sucked back down those lines. Then, when system pressure is regained, those pesticides and fertilizer could be introduced into other people's drinking water. But with the installation of a backflow preventer, potentially hazardous substances are prevented from entering the public water system. This is why Charleston Water System requires customers who have an irrigation system to install a backflow preventer and have it tested annually to make sure it's working. Industrial facilities and businesses whose operation presents a backflow hazard, such as car washes, dry cleaners, restaurants, and salons, are also required to install a backflow preventer. There are different types of devices designed for various degrees of hazard. Charleston Water System's Cross-Connection Control Department works with customers to determine whether a backflow hazard exists, and if so, what type of backflow preventer is required. For more information and before installing a backflow preventer, be sure to review the installation requirements listed on our website or contact our Cross-Connection Control Department.